network, hindi po ba yun yung mga channel 223 network, yung ba yun?
Ang network yung connection mo sa mga tao.
So, ang network po ba ay matatawag na tao lang po? Tao lang po ba ang
Connection,
network?
relasyon sa tao.
Connection at relasyon sa
Kaya
tao.
mo, ikaw, kung naniniwala ka sa akin, parang naging dalawa na ako. Di ba?
So si
Pero ako,
Ninong.
kung di ako naniniwala sa iyo, isa ka pa rin.
Uy, Ninong, happy birthday nga pala.
Same to you, same to you.
Sa aking network, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Eh, Ninong, ano pa po ba yung mga ibang matatawag nating network na yan?
Madaming klaseng network. Kung ang plano mo ay paunlarin yung gusto mong idea para madami sumama, ibig sabihin, mag-organize ka ng mga katulad mo, yung mga isip katulad mo. Kakaibiganin mo sila para ipopromote nila yung ideas mo. Isang klaseng network yun.
Eh, paano ko po ba mabibilang yung network ko?
Ibilang, umpisahan mo sa kapitbahay, kamag-anak, kaibigan. Doon ka mag-umpisa.
Okay.
Kasi kilala ka nila, malamang maniniwala sila sa iyo.
Opo.
Yun ang una.
Akala ko po kasi yung network, yun yung mga pag-aari, mga ganun.
Hindi, net worth yun.
Network.
Yun ang net worth, netong halaga.
Magkaiba
Itong
po pala
network
network, tsaka network.
worth, oo.
So, after po bang yung mga network na yan, pag na-establish ko na yan, makakatulong po ba sa
Of
akin
course,
yan?
ang network, capital yan.
Capital din pala ang
Capital,
network.
intellectual capital yan, relationship capital yan, dahil yan ang magpapalawak ng iyong kakayahan. Maabot mo yung iyong gustong abutin.
Eh, nabanggit niyo naman po yung tungkol sa netong halaga. Pag nalaman ko na po ba yung tungkol sa netong halaga ko, pwede na po ba akong mag-invest?
Malalaman mo kung anong kaya mong invest. Anong pwede mong isapalaran.
Ganun po.
Kasi kung lahat ng natira sa'yo, konting-konti, hindi mo pwede pagsapalaran lahat.
Wala nang matitira po sa akin.
Exactly, oo. So, kailangan, alam mo yung detalya ng iyong netong halaga. Ano doon yung pwede mong ilagak para lumago, ano yung hindi pwede, ano yung palalaguin mo pa, iipon mo lang muna, mayaan mo lang muna sa dyan, dagdag ka ng dagdag.
And we're back here in What's Up, Doc?
Yes,
and our topic for this morning is all about acne scars, the laser treatment for acne scars.
And how do we cure it?
Yes, and of course, again, we have our guest here, Dr. Ken Dalisay, Dr.
Dr.
Rayran
Lau.
Lau, of course, our nurse, Ms. Hershey Recalde. Okay, and now we have our patient here who is 24 years old. Itago na natin siya sa pangalang Brian Flores. Okay? Okay, so everybody's very excited, but before anything else, we have another texter.
Texter,
Sabi
John,
niya,
23 years old from
Zamboanga.
Zamboanga.
Okay.
I always clean my face pero tinutubuan po ako ng pimples. Advisable po ba ang tretinoin hydroquinone?
Okay, parang sinasabi niya, is cleaning her face almost every day, pero meron pa rin siyang pimples. And I think she's using a tretinoin or hydroquinone.
Is it a strong chemical, Doc?
Dr. Dalisay?
There's nothing wrong with the use of tretinoin and hydroquinone. Pero yung kasi sinasabi niya na I always clean my face.
Yes.
Gaano ba kadalas? Hindi kasi sinasabi ko nga hindi rin healthy yung sosobra sa 3 beses sa isang araw, ano?
Correct.
Kasi yung normal flora ng skin natin, yung kumaga
Yung mga normal bacteria tayo dyan, na
yung
it
skin
helps,
natin na yung natural na cleansing property ng skin natin. So baka naman natatanggal niya 'yon, ano? At saka the way na siya maglinis ng mukha, baka naman hindi proper. So
Dapat gentle lang. And
at saka
And minsan
maayos
kasi
madali.
pimples may be, I can say, can be inherited from your parents. Like for
Yeah.
example, this
Dexter, Rufo Manghilit from Pampanga. Do acne and pimple problem can be inherited from your parents?
Dr. Lau?
Yes, actually, isa sa factor yan. Yung pag yung father of parents mo, merong pimples, chances are meron ka rin pimples eventually.
Okay. Now, what we'll be doing is the actual laser treatment with Dr. Lau and Dr. Dalisay. And what's the preparation for this, Dr.
Okay, we
Dr.
have
Lau?
a patient, no? Before, kailangan natin linisin muna ng face niya. Kahit water lang, normal water, lilinisin lang. And then, most importantly, medyo since laser ang gagamitin natin, kailangan natin lagyan ng topical anesthesia.
Okay.
Okay, itong patient, nalagyan natin ng anesthesia for 30 minutes na.
Is this very a painful procedure?
No, halos wala kang mararamdam. Konting sting lang, pero very tolerable yung pain niya.
So, can we focus the acne scars here of our patient? Again, itago na natin siya pangalang Brian Flores.
Yes.
Hindi po niya tunay na pangalan yun.
So, kitang-kita natin ngayon, ito yung mga acne scars na medyo malalalim. Ito yung resulta na parang pag piniprick natin yung mga pimple
Diyaw
natin before.
Kasi minsan pag nanonood ka ng television, tapos may marami kang pimples, tiris ka ng tiris ng
Yes.
tigyawat.
And it's annoying kapag
Yes.
visible pimples.
Doon sila nalilibang sa pagpiprick, hindi doon sa TV.
And then another one is this hyperpigmented na scar. Ito naman yung resulta na medyo cystic yung pimple mo. Ibig sabihin may mga nana na ng konti.
Nana.
Yan, yung very common na nagkakakos ng
Yun yung mga
hyperpigmentation.
sinasabi na may mata.
Yes.
So, ito po ang ating fractional laser. Can we focus it? Ito yung ating laser treatment. Dr. Lau,
Yes.
you can start the treatment na.
This is the fractional laser. Actually, dalawa, no? Meron tinatawag na Fraxel and fractional laser. But the fractional is yung medyo mas bago.
Mas bago.
Yes.
Okay.
Superior.
So, can we set our patients here? Okay.
Okay. First, we're going to do the right side of the face. As you can see, I will concentrate.
You see it, can you focus it? You can see the beam of lights. Okay.
Very important, no, na tatakpan natin lagi ang mata ng pasyente
course.
because this is a laser.
Just
Laser is a light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation.
correct. As you can see, some beam of light kata, makikita mo yung
It's
changes
targeting,
kagad ng patient. But the treatment will be once only in one treatment or maybe several treatment, Dr. Dalisay?
Based on my experience, it ranges from 4 to 5
Sessions?
treatments in average. But I have some patients na after 1 or 2 treatments, happy na sila. Although there are some patients also na more than 5 treatments, depending on sa lalim ng scars, tsaka depending on how fast the patient respond with the treatment.
Dr. Dalisay, who are the candidates for this CO2 laser? Or sino rin po yung mga hindi pwedeng magpa-laser?
Well, unang-una, siyempre yung mga pasyente dapat may scar kaya iti-treat natin, ano?
Yes.
Pero dapat hindi rin sila gumagamit ng mga oral isotretinoin
Okay.
for at least 6 months in preparation.
Oh,
Kasi
okay.
although wala namang published or supported documentation na nagsasabi na bawal talaga, no?
Okay.
Pero some experts would say na nagkokos yan ng bad results kapag gumagamit yun. Ganun, no?
Okay.
So, yung ibang hindi rin pwede, siyempre kapag may active skin problem ka, like yung mga infections, mga active skin problem, ano, or even hypertension or may mga cardiovascular problem, diabetes.
Bawal
So,
din.
oo. Kasi pwedeng halimbawa magulat ng hypertensive yung pasyente, medyo magulat na konti. Hindi din natin masasabi na absolutely hindi makakaramdam ng pain eh. May anesthesia pero sometimes may konting gulat baka mag-shoot up ang BP. So these are yung mga relative contraindications, ano.
The good thing here is our patient, is not Masakit ba?
Brian,
Mr.
is it painful? Hindi.
Pero tolerable.
Tolerable, okay.
So if I
Very
may
good.
discuss, ito yung sinasabi ko ng mga shallow-based scars. Yung mga nakikita mo yung halos yung base, parang yung crater na gano'n, ano? And then yung mga deeper, yung mga patulis, yung mga tinatawag ng ice pick scar.
Okay.
Yun ang
Okay,
medyo mas lesser ang bilis ng pag-respond.
We
sa
have a
treatment.
texter from...
From Jackie, good morning. Oily po ang face ko. Dami po ako mga blackheads. Paano po itong matanggal? Thank you. Doctors, paano po matanggal ang blackheads at
oily
face?
daw ang face niya, and then
Marami din
there's
po
a lot
siyang
of
blackheads.
blackheads. Yes.
Okay, normal lang kasi na nag-o-oil ang face, ano? Ito kasi yung isang way ng skin natin para yung normal na mechanism ng skin to get away with the dirt dun sa mga bumabara sa face natin, ano? Pero dun sa whiteheads and blackheads, ito kasi yung tinatawag natin na grade 1 pimple na kaagad yan eh. So
Okay.
dapat ina-address natin yung ganyan problem by facial care, yung unclogging of pores na tinatawag, piniprick yan. Pero dapat ang gumagawa niyan kasi expert.
Okay.
Hindi
Dapat
pwede sa bahay lang.
mahirap
easier
kasi
face.
unang-una yung preparation, baka yung kamay hindi malinis, at saka yung exact na way ng pag-extract nung dumi dapat tama.
You can see the beam of lights of the lasers at after this what will be the post-op application
The
of treatment?
rejuvenation.
Dr. Lau.
Okay, after this, first kailangan natin lagyan ng ice kasi
Ice.
medyo mainit ng konti to sa face.
Okay.
Iinit pa to
And
once
also
na nag-wear off
para
yung...
hindi siya masyadong mag-swelling.
Yes,
or
ice to
an
counteract
anti-inflammatory.
lang. Okay.
Yes.
But basically, sometimes naglalagay kami ng antibiotic cream. Sometimes lang yun, no?
So that means after this treatment, the patient can go home.
Yes,
Outpatient
parang wala
siya
lang.
ba?
Pero ang pinaka-important, sinasabi natin sa pasyente, first 3 days after masi-auto laser, para ka na sunburn. Yun lang yung downtime niya.
Okay.
But after that, on the 4th or the 5th day, para ka ng pinkish, magiging pinkish ka na.
Okay.
Wow. So what do? They put ice lang after.
Yes, ice
They
lang.
probably
Okay.
do you need like antibiotic cream or something?
It would be better if you can apply vitamin C after this kind of procedure para nang sa ganun ma-promote yung collagen synthesis. Yung collagen kasi yung involved para dun sa rejuvenation or yung bagong pag-produce ng mga bagong cells para mag-resurface yung skin.
Okay, we have another texter, Kata.
Good morning po. Paano po mawawala ang acne scars? Parang malalaking pores. Okay po bang dermabrasion para sa mga ganitong acne scars? At how much po? Gracia Gold.
Gracia, go.
Thank you, Gracia, for your...
Dr. Lau, this is what we are doing, the
Yes, this,
acne scars for Gracia. As you could see live in television that we're doing a actual laser treatment for acne scars. So, answered na yung question niya. At saka
Pero,
yung,
doctor-
yung dream niya to remove the acne
Acne
scars,
scars.
eto na.
Pero Doc, after this, pwede po ba sila mag-wash, like facial wash or
After
water
8
lang?
hours, after 8 hours,
After 8
tsaka ka na
hours.
pwede mag-wash.
Okay, another texter
From
from
0915-979-7161. Good morning po. Favor lang po sa mga doctors. Paano po mawala ang oily sa face? Thanks from Girly Mejia of Quezon City.
Dr. Dalisay.
Hindi naman natin kailangan tanggalin talaga totally yung oil, ano? Ang ginagawa lang natin, yung skin tone dapat hindi masyadong dry, hindi rin masyadong oily. Yung sakto lang kasi kailangan ng skin talaga natin yung dapat kaya nga nag-apply tayo ng moisturizer para hindi pa masyadong dry, ano. So kailangan natin yun. Kailangan naman hindi totally walang oil.
Doctors, since marami naman po lumalabas ng mga facial wash, facial scrub, do you advise any brands or pare-pareho lang po ba talaga
Pili
yun?
na lang sila ng hiyang sa kanila kasi meron
Yeah.
kasi tayo na kanya-kanyang skin
Preferences.
type. So, makikita nila kung alin yung sakto sa kanila.
Okay, siguro ito we can ask another texter. Sabi niya, how much po ang laser treatment? Again from Gracia.
How much po ba, Doc? Per session?
Around 10,000.
10,000.
10,000 per session.
Yeah, it's like only a price of a cellular phone, ha?
Mhm.
Pero
This is
after
the
no,
brand,
doctor,
cheaper.
mawawala na yung scars.
Well, initially
or-
siguro we lessen na yung acne
Yeah,
scars.
depending on the
Sometimes
severity
it
of
takes
the
like
acne
probably
scar.
several treatments.
Yes. Pero during the first treatment pa lang, makikita mo na mga 30 to 40%. May improvement, mas malaking improvement
Malaking
compared sa
improvement.
ibang treatments.
Correct. Okay, the other texter.
Hi, good morning. This is Eliza from Cebu. I have acne scars and I would like to know if I should undergo facials or go immediately for the laser treatment. How much would be the cost for each treatment?
Again,
It was 10,000
if you have like
per
acne
session.
scars, eto na yung
Oo.
answer to your questions. Okay.
Pero recommend niyo po ba she undergo facials muna or immediately go to laser
Well,
treatment?
facial is just probably a regular thing for everybody.
It's maintenance.
As a maintenance, it's not only for acne scars,
with
but
or without acne scars, you should go to the
Yes.
clinic for facial or
Yes.
unclogging of pores. But of course, Dr. Senig, I would like to mention also na baka iniisip kasi ng mga viewers natin, lahat ng ginagawa ng laser nito it's all good. Meron siyempre lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin, meron din kakambal na konting negative, diba?
Merong